First, take out 5 color lines and put them in slots 1 and 10, 2 and 9, 3 and 8, 4 and 7, 5 and 6 respectively. Step 1. Take line 4 and tie to right hand double knot on line 5. At this time, line 4 will be left in slot 5. Step 2. Take line 7 on line 6 and line 5 with double knot on the left hand. At this time, line 7 will be left in slot 5. Step 3. Take line 3 on line 4 and line 5 with double knot on the right hand. At this time, line 3 will be left in slot 5. Step 4. Take line 8 on line 7, line 6 and line 5 and tie elbow knot on the left hand. At this time, line 8 will be left in slot 5. Step 5. Take line 2 on line 3, line 4, and line 5 with double knots on the right hand. At this time, line 2 is in slot 5. Step 6. Take line 9 on line 8, line 7, line 6 and line 5 with double knots on the left hand. At this time, line 9 will be left in slot 5. Step 7. Take line 1 on line 2, line 3, line 4 and line 5 with double knots on the right hand, and then leave line 1 in slot 5. Step 8. Take line 10 on line 9, line 8, line 7, line 6 and line 5 with double knots on the left hand. At this time, line 10 is left in slot 5. Repeat steps 1 to 8 until the length is appropriate. This simple and beautiful friendship bracelet is ready.